Mga kapuso, sanglit bida ang atong mga magtutudlo karong World Teachers Day. This morning, sayron ta ang maka good vibes nga gihimo sa grupo sa mga kagay-anon nga nag-surprise sa ilahang mga magtutudlo kaniadto. At ang makauban karon si Ma'am Cookie sa Avedra ug Cora Castañeda. Ma'am Cookie and Cora, good morning and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta ba mo?
Good morning mga ka-at home. Thank you so much for having Cora and me today. We are so happy to be your guest. Daghan salamat and by God's grace, Cyril, we are doing good. Kamusta ka?
Good morning, Sir Cyril. It's good to be here. Good morning sa Kapuso, Mindanaoan. So, I pray that everybody is safe.
Glad to hear nga you are doing good today, Ma'am Cookie and Ma'am Cora. Ug salamat po sa pagpangutana. Sanglit you are doing good also. Pero ma'am, let's talk about aning tribute no o pahalipay nga inyo ang gihimo sa inyohang mga magtutudlo kaniadto. Ngano ba ninyo kini naisipan nga himuon?
Okay. Kami Mangudsay, we are the batch 1996 of Lourdes College High School. Unya, supposed to be this year, kami unta ang host batch sa among Lourdes College High School, hali na mo alumni homecoming. This is a yearly homecoming sa Lourdes College. This is usually done every February. Katong February manggod, if you remember, no, motong kasagsagan sa COVID nato sa syudad nga murag na feel na gyud nato nga naa ni gyud sa Cagayan de Oro ba. So at that time the city government mandated that mass gatherings is strictly prohibited. So na-cancel in town ang among homecoming for batch 1996. So that left us very broken-hearted. Subo kaayo mi kay we've been preparing, we've been working so hard for it. We were excited nga na-cancel. So ang pinakasubo adto was our teachers kato na time kay syempre every year one of the highlight man good of an alumni homecoming is paying tribute to the teachers. Diba? Can you imagine after 25 years seeing your teachers again, and this time ato na pong turno nga magpasalamat sa ila for kanang teaching us, for being patient with us during high school years namo. So, by God's grace, with the guidance of the school sa Lourdes College, karon we're doing our alumni homecoming virtual this December. So, katong among gihimo last week lang gyud, very recent, was part and partial of our alumni homecoming activity nga naghatag mig tribute sa among mga love teachers.
Ma'am Cookie and Ma'am Cora, siyempre anak kita in the middle of the pandemic karong panahuna. Ug siyempre nakigtagbo gayud mo sa inyong mga teachers kaniadto during sa inyong gihimo nga activity. So paunsa ba ninyo gisiguro ma'am nga luwas mo ug ang inyong mga teachers nga gisurpresa?
Okay, sir. So, atong February, we didn't want nga wala gid mi mahimo for our teachers. So, we actually prepared a formal dinner for our teachers. It was a formal dinner. They attended, and it was a great time for the teachers and for the batch. And we also gave them some tokens of appreciation and telling them that this year will not pass nga wala mi himuon nga we promised them. And then the next one is, so we did they call it the love trunk. We call it the love trunk kay love man gid to namo ang gibutang sa trunk, even if it was just goods, but it was pure love that was there. So we prepared a lot of things, the things that's necessity sa ila for protection from COVID, for home, for family to share, meals.
During the surprises, Ma'am Cookie and Ma'am Cora, unsa-unsa pud ba ang mga nahimong reaksyon no sa inyong mga gipangtagaan og regalo?
Batch 1996, Rhodesian, thank you very much.
So Sir Cyril, I was there firsthand, and when we opened the trunk and they came out, more bitaw, they can't explain that. Ang makuan ako is the very first teacher nga mong getuan. She was full of joy. She was even teary-eyed. Nga di ka ka-explain, sir, ba nga, grabe, na-appreciate kay niya. Kana bitawang in times of need, yun ko no na ami, na murag nakuha daw namo ang essence ba. So, we felt joy. I mean, they showed joy, excitement, appreciation, and one of the teachers even said na she felt important. That teacher, that we even drove all the way to Hasaan to give her the love trunk. She really said na she felt important daw with the distance nga it was already ulan that time. We braved the ulan and that. So yes sir, that's what they felt.
Alang kaninyo ma'am, unsa ba ka importante ang mga magtutudlo sa inyong kinabuhi kaniadto nga inyuha manggayud silang gisurpresa?
Sir, simple ra gyud kayo ang tubag ana sir. So we are not who we are right now if not for them, for the foundation that they have given us. So maski asa ta nagpaingon, the things that they have taught us, it's like the foundation of a house eh. Whatever you put sa imong interiors, kung pangit imong foundation, dali ra gyud na siya mo crumble. So what the better way to thank them is to give tribute to our teachers.
Daghang salamat Ma'am Cookie and Cora sa inyong oras nga gihatag dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV ug padayon kamo sa paghimo og maayo sa atong mga magtutudlo. Amping kanunay.
Amping pod.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mga kapuso, chillax lang mo kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.